Hello everyone, welcome back. Just a small recap. I'm Vaishnavi, an architect and designer from Godrej UNS, and the topic of discussion was ideas to add luxury to your homes. Continuing with that, today we are going to go a little more deeper and little more technical in this topic. Let's move ahead then. So luxury of even the most stellar home is lost when it's not usable. And that's my first point, focusing on the practicality. So understanding the practicality and usability of the space is very important. For example, focusing on clean finishes or holding on to the elements like handles, channels or any such hardwares can really help you improving the overall look and feel of the space. You must be wondering how this will help, right? So let me quote an example. Imagine entering your kitchen and your drawers are not aligned, or you have some issues in pulling and pushing out the drawer. You feel a little bit irritated, right? Yes, after all, luxury is all about feeling. So try fixing it and make your space more usable. The next concept is understanding the details. Little things count, don't they? Especially spaces like kitchens, bathrooms, hallways or even storerooms. So use beautiful fixtures and intricate dado tiles. Also, good lighting can really elevate even the most low space. Coming up to the next relatable point, that is lighting. Good light effects by hanging lights or chandeliers or LED strip lights or even lamps give you a very lavish feel. Also, it's a bit harsh to be completely dependent on the ceiling lights, right? So spread lamps and lights around wherever possible. Moving ahead with the next feature, that is sticking to the classics. Go neutrals in large. In these days, it's very difficult to change things like furnishings or wall colors or even light fixtures. And thus, you can play rather with colors, textures and patterns in accents and accessories instead. And classic items, they don't really go out of style or fade. So try that out. Coming up to the last point for today is use of high contrast. If you're trying to get out of the whole darks or bright whites, try painting a lobby wall or hallway or even door for change in contrast, like maybe charcoal black or green or something that will add chic to your room. I can assure this will completely transform your space. Lastly, I would like to conclude, as you all know, transformation like these cannot happen overnight, right? So give time to your mind and think creative. This is it from my side. I hope you will stop waiting and start doing. I am open for all the queries, views and suggestions. Also, please feel free to give any of your advices. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.